Pwede tulog tayo. Ito the yellow.
Eh di ikaw na lang judge, 'di ba?
Oh, only for a minute left. Di na to?
Hmm?
I hope I time until the time ends. I mean, time when it out goes back. And that goes back.
Betty, what are you drawing?
An angel called the Sarah. It's an angel known for protecting the Garden of Eden.
Hmm. Ikaw naman, Talia, what are you drawing?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Itong electric fan, Mami. Mami, yung electric fan paano nga? Pawan lang. Kasi ninihipan yung border nila.
Okay, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left.
Oh, 3 minutes left daw. Galing naman.
Hurry up.
Mamadali na sila.
I'm done.
O, doon na si Talia. Ako si Betty.
No, only to the time. I'm done.
Oh, you put your name on it para ano. Lagay mo name mo.
Wait. 2 minutes left. I still have time. Uy! I might say... Hindi ko alam yung name ko.
Ay! Hindi mo alam paano i-spell?
Because she's not still at she's still not at kindergarten.
No.
Oh wow! I'm finished!
Natalia.
Now the lobby for the time to end.
Okay.
You can do whatever you want.
Gusto mo ask mo si mami mo.
You can do whatever you want.
Ay na.
Sabotage. No. Uy, tapos ako na.
Tapos ka na, you didn't say.
I said. You did sabotage.